Hello everyone, welcome to my talk. I'm Regina Cheng from University of Washington. In this talk, I'm going to share a study about community knowledge building in online competitions. In recent years, there are many online platforms hosting online open competitions. These competitions usually present a challenge online and crowdsource innovative solutions by using prize money as incentives. It is typical for online competitions to encourage users to be competitive and compare with others. For example, in Kaggle, the largest data science competition platform, users can compare their rankings with others in a public leaderboard. Other than publicly showing who wins the prize, the platform will also give top performance virtual medals as indicators to their high performance. On the other hand, it is also common for online competition platforms to afford users to contribute public knowledge that could be seen, used, and advanced by other competitors. For example, in Kaggle, users can post computational notebooks to publicly share the code of their solutions. They can also post messages to discussion forums to share their ideas, answer others' questions, and exchange feedback to each other. We aim to unpack the relationship between competitive structures and community knowledge building activities. By studying online competition with knowledge building components, we hope to find insights on whether and how to introduce competitive structures to online communities in order to promote contribution to public knowledge. We therefore interviewed 14 participants in Kaggle competitions, including 5 experts and 9 beginners. Because Kaggle competitions are highly competitive, we classified people who ever won a medal, which is top 4% of the users, as an expert, and the rest of the users as novices. We asked about their experience, use, and share community knowledge on the platform. Our findings show that competitive structures can support experts' knowledge building activities in the community, but at the same time, create challenges for novices. First, competitive structures create incentives for experts to contribute publicly, but discourage novices to contribute. Because of their high rankings on the leaderboard, experts are more likely to get attention on their contribution to community knowledge. They are willing to contribute as it will help them build reputation. As shown in the quote, the expert says, when people just look for my name, they can say, hey, this guy knows about this or that topic. However, for beginners, because their status as a beginner with low rankings is publicly visible, they feel vulnerable to post their solution or ideas publicly. As shown in this quote, they feel the anxiety that everyone else is more experienced and their questions may be stupid. Second, in order to maintain the competitive nature of the competitions, the platform does not allow the sharing of directly useful end-to-end solutions during a competition. Experts, therefore, only share partial solutions or abstract ideas. They also like to use such partial solutions. As shown in the quote, they thought the snippets are more focused into a topic and they don't like to copy and paste. However, abstract solutions are hard to be used by novices because they cannot exactly understand what the authors did, and they cannot get things to work properly. Because they cannot understand it in the first place, they cannot add their pieces and build onto it. As a result, the experts from a former niche where they are motivated to build community knowledge that could be only used by experts. Beginners, while they want to participate and learn from the community, are largely excluded. We have some suggestions for knowledge building communities from our study. First, if the community wants to get more experts' input on community knowledge, we can introduce competitive structures to motivate experts' contribution. But at the same time, we need to consider the different motivation, practices, and needs of both expert and beginner participants. We could set up competitive method to incentivize experts contribute beginner-friendly community knowledge, such as setting up a prize for contributions that received most upvotes from beginners. We could also try to motivate barriers resulting from social comparison from beginners, maybe by granting beginners more control on their anonymity and also their public image in the community. Thanks for listening. This talk only contained partial findings from the paper. So to read the full paper, you can use this URL and also scan the QR code. Thank you.